How to add music to Instagram story in 2026. It's really easy. So all you need to do is, first of all, simply open your Instagram, make sure you're logged into your account, and then now let's start creating our story. So for that, you can simply tap on your profile icon, which you can see on your home page on the top left corner. You'll be able to see a plus icon near your profile icon, right? So simply tap on that one and then your gallery will be open just like this. You can now simply select a photo or video that you want to post to your story. So let's just say I want to post this particular story. Now in here, in order to add your music, all you need to do is tap on the music icon that you can see right here. Simply tap on that one, then you'll be able to select any type of music that you want. Here you can see these are all of the music on your For You page. You can tap on trending right here and get all of the trending songs. You can tap on original audio, and if you have saved any kind of audio, you can also get that on the saved option right here. So in here, if you want to search for a specific one, you can simply tap on the search icon, and in here you can now simply start searching for the exact song you want, right? So let's just go with something that my For You page is giving. Let's go with this particular song right here. Tap on it, then in here tap on this arrow right here. After doing that, we'll get into this page from where you can now start trimming down the exact part of the music that you want. So let's just say I want the first part of this music. Now we also have multiple options of lyrics. If you want to show your lyrics with different kind of font, you can do that. And in here, if you don't want any kind of lyrics, you can also select this option right here. So we can also see the 20 seconds option right here. If you tap on that one, you can now increase the time of your music, or you can either decrease it too. Set it however you want, tap on done, and lastly all you need to do is simply tap on done, and in here tap on your story, and like this you'll be able to add music to Instagram story in 2026. If you open your story here, you can see the music is right here, and that is it.